The Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance Tire in 275/40R20 is designed for Charger owners looking for a performance-focused tire that delivers exceptional grip, handling, and stability. Whether you're carving through corners or just looking for a more responsive and predictable daily driving experience, this tire is built to enhance the performance of your Charger while maintaining reliable road performance. The AZ850 is an ultra high performance tire designed to provide maximum grip and stability in both dry and wet roads. Atturo gives these tires a 10 out of 10 on their grip scale and a 9 out of 10 on their handling. So these are definitely performance-minded tires. They feature an asymmetrical tread pattern engineered to create an optimal contact patch, ensuring better traction and even wear. A solid center rib improves directional stability, allowing precise steering response and better high-speed control. This is especially beneficial for aggressive driving, but also nice for just highway cruising where stability is going to be crucial. Also, the large outside tread blocks are designed to increase cornering grip, allowing for better handling and reduced body roll when taking tight turns at higher speeds. This tire also uses advanced rubber compounds that offer enhanced durability and heat resistance, making it ideal for high-performance vehicles that demand consistent performance under aggressive driving conditions. The optimized tread design further helps in reducing road noise, giving you a quieter and more comfortable ride without sacrificing performance. This AZ850 is built using reinforced sidewall design to maintain tire shape under hard cornering and acceleration. The tread compound is formulated for a maximum grip and longevity, giving you balance of performance and durability. With Atturo's commitment to high-quality manufacturing, this tire is a cost-effective option without having to sacrifice performance. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that $200 price range per tire, making this a budget-friendly option for an ultra high-performance tire that's going to be built to last. That's going to wrap up our review and install of the Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance Tire in size 275/40R20. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.